Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'll cover how to put video inside text in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I added a simple video to my timeline which I'd like to put inside my text, and above that I have a text clip. To begin, head over to the effects panel and type Track Matte Key into the search box. Drag the Track Matte Key effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Next, head up to Effect Controls, and under the Track Matte Key effect that you just added, select the drop-down box next to Matte. Now select the video track that your text is on. In my case, it's on the V2 track. As you can see, this now places the video inside the text. But let's say you want a different background color to black. To do this, pop over to your project panel. Then click down here on the New Item button and select Color Matte. The default settings should match your timeline, so just hit OK. Then select the color you wish from the color picker and hit OK. Add a name if you like. I'll name mine White. You now have a new color matte in the project panel. But before we use it, you'll need to select your video and text clip on the timeline and move them up one track. Okay, now drag the white color matte below the other clips. You may need to extend its duration to match them as well. Lastly, reselect your video clip and head back to the Track Matte Key effect in Effect Controls. Since we moved our clips up, the text is now on the V3 track, so we simply need to change the matte setting to Video 3. And there you go, a white background. Keep in mind that you can also put a video or an image beneath your video clip using the same technique, much like this. And this. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.